Welcome to your M Night Digital Media Kit. So, how does this work? The Digital Media Kit contains everything you'll need for a missions night at home, right here on your device. Plan your M Night in advance. Who will you invite? And on Saturday, February 26th, gather together and start with a delicious Mongolian meal. The kit contains all the ingredients and how-tos. Test your streaming link provided in advance. This is where you'll hear from all the M Night special guest speakers on February 26th, beginning 6:30. During your dinner, listen to the sounds of worship from around the globe with our M Night playlist that you can find on Spotify. And if you have children in your home, Cup of Cold Water Ministries has dedicated an entire page to help your child understand missions. M Night Kids is geared toward children ages 4 to 11. You'll start with the story of Sarah and the strange new world, learning all about a missionary kid and her new and sometimes confusing experiences on the mission field with her parents. After the story, your child is provided with 2 activities to help bring the story to life for them. You can do this with your child at any time before and after M Night 2022. At 6:20 p.m. Chicago time, you and your guest will join us using the M Night link. There you'll hear from 4 different Cup of Cold Water ministry leaders. Session 1 with Julius Hagen helps us understand the question, is everything missions? This is followed by a breakout session with a special activity for you to share with your M Night guests. Each breakout session is 5 minutes and leads into the next M Night speaker. In Session 2, Lily Flew Hardy shares about the parts of society considered reached by the gospel, yet remaining totally unreached in reality, followed by another breakout session activity. In Session 3, Tusha goes head-on with the problematic topic of bringing our personal culture into the mission field. There's a special activity to follow. And in Session 4, we'll be joined by CCW ministry leader whose identity is undisclosed because he's serving in a closed nation. He'll share about the urgency of missions and wrap it up with one more session activity. After our sessions, we'll join a global prayer walk traveling around the globe in 8 minutes. This is a fundraiser, so if you have the ability to give, we ask that you donate to help us reach our big goal of $40,000, which will go to the Ministry Growth Fund. This allows Cup of Cold Water Ministries to do what we do best, help people go where God has called them to serve. We're here to help. If you have any issues on M Night, contact us. And in the meantime, get ready, make your guest list, do your invites, and be prepared for a missions night that you will not soon forget. We'll see you on February 26th.